thing we had to take out of the way this morning was to make the food. And by making the food, we have to make the chicken first. We're using chicken for the party. And I made the chicken. I sauced it, boiled it, and then I'm air frying it because I like the air fried chicken. It has a kind of taste that it is just so yummy. And after that, I had to do the meat pie dough and keep it for later. I'm going to making some meat pie for our guests. So I know it's been long you've heard my voice, and now we are back again. Make sure to always subscribe when you see a video that you like, and I'm sure you're gonna like this video. Support YouTubers. Yes, thank you. And make sure you share it to someone that might need this to prepare for their party, because with this particular video, you're going to be getting the in-depth of how to do your own party yourself. And for the jollof rice, our zaddy, like Papi, made the jollof rice. My husband made the jollof rice. Then I had to make this cake, like decorate it to be the baby shower cake. That's the gender reveal theme. I bought 2 cakes from Hasta. I just make sure that it was DIY. I wanted to do it myself. I got the things I'm going to be using for it from Temu. So you can check on Temu for birthday decorations or baby shower decorations and cake decorations. It's going to give you so many things. So I bought the baby feet, the baby tags from Temu, and it's very, very cheap. So I made this cake. I bought these 2 cakes for £16 each. Then the item I bought from Temu is just like £2. So instead of me buying a full cake of like £100 for the baby gender review, I used £32 for this one. So I saved money, and I also use my DIY skills. So I'm also telling you, if you want to save money, just do it yourself, because it gives you the confidence that you can handle parties and make things work. Yes, so look at how I'm doing it. I only leveled it up with the spatula I bought from the store, and this cake is so yummy. It's very nice. I kind of recommend this kind of cake. I bought the coconut flavored, so you can decide to buy any other flavor you want, but I like coconut flavored. And this is it. We are getting there gradually. And it doesn't take time, yeah. It's kind of fun and didn't take my time, because I already pictured what I wanted. I already have everything written down and stocked up on my phone. So I was just bringing out the vision into picture. Like I was bringing out the vision as I have pictured. Yes, that's the word. So enjoy the vlog, and let me know any other thing you want me to add if I forgot or I skip it. If you want to know the prices of where I got the items, where I got them, and how to do them in bits. If you want separate videos for the cake, the food, the decoration, I have all the videos. Just do well to ask if you need anything. And don't forget to always subscribe, please. Your subscription means a lot to us. Now back to the cake. You might say I didn't wear a glove. I didn't wear a glove because I have washed my hands. So my hands are clean. Because I know some people might question why I'm not wearing a glove. So my hands are clean. And these are the little feet saying that a baby is coming. And those are the tags. Is it a boy or a girl? Yeah, I know by now you know. Don't you know? If you don't know, just check the videos. If you want expose, you would see it here. Yeah, this is the final look of the cake. And I really love what I really did, because it was just simple and nice. Then we had our first godmother come to make other food. She made the fried rice, and then she made the salad. The grater you saw her holding was what she used in making the salad. And this, our godmother, is just so good. She's a chef. Her name is NG Kitchen, or Madam Tell, and she does good food. If you want local meals, if you want intercontinental, just ask in the comment section. I'm happy to share her contact with you. She's going to give you the best of the best of the best meals. And this chopper is available. I think I bought it about £10. It made job easy for me. Now let's get to the main venue. The venue we used was our living room. And these are the items that we're going to be using to decorate the living room. Yes, we used our living room, and it looked like a hall. I know it looked like an event center when we finished. Some of you that have seen the other videos in our shorts. We have a lot of videos in our shorts. But then this preggy needs to eat. This preggy needs to eat. The baby needs to be filled up, because I need the energy for the day. So don't forget I'm pregnant and I need to eat. Then this is how it's looking. We have our friends over to help us with so many other things in the house. We're so lucky to have them over. Thank you guys. We love you. And this is like the almost to the final look, but not the final. We still have a lot going on and going into the decorations. Then we need to customize the water. We got the water bottles already and bottle water, sorry. And we only customized it to our taste, boy or girl. We got the popcorn holder because a customized one from Temu also. If you need the links for all these things, make sure you ask and I'm happy to give to you. um it's quite easy to put together and put the popcorn in whenever you want to put your popcorn in. We also got plates, customized plates from Temu also, and I think the server too. If you need the link, I'm gonna give the link out, so you could do everything yourself. Even while I was wearing my scarf and I was ready for the day, we had an issue with the balloon and we had to quickly fix it up. And this is like the final look. How do you think, like, what do you think about this? And every bit of this was done by ourselves, my husband, myself, and our friends. It was all done with a picture of what we want in our head, and we went for it. Yes, I had the picture, and I had lovely people to bring it into realization with me. So I'm happy if you want me to decorate for you on your baby shower day, bridal shower, anything at all, just to click away. And make sure to comment how you feel about this. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to us. Thank you and thank you again. See you in our next video. But then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.